Hello everyone, I am Marwa Rashed and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will have a story time. Our story for today is The Magic Cooking Pot. A little girl lives here. She lives here with her mother. They have no money and they are very hungry. "Oh, mother," says the little girl, "I'm hungry, hungry, hungry." But there is no food in the house. It's cold. "Oh, I'm hungry, hungry, hungry," cries the little girl. "I want something to eat." The little girl sits down and cries. But look, who's this? It's an old woman. An old woman. "Don't cry," she says. "I must cry," says the little girl. "I am hungry." "Don't cry," says the old woman. "Look, you can have this." "What is it?" says the little girl. "It's a magic cooking pot," says the old woman. "Cook, little pot, cook," says the old woman. And the pot cooks. It cooks nice hot porridge. "Oh," says the little girl. "Oh, oh, oh." "Wait," says the old woman. "First, the pot must stop." Then she says to the pot, "Stop, little pot, stop." The pot stops. "Now you can eat," says the old woman. "It's very good," says the little girl. "It's delicious. You can have this pot," says the old woman. "When you want to eat, you say, 'Cook, little pot, cook.' And the pot cooks. Then say, 'Stop, little pot, stop,' and you can eat the porridge." "Thank you," says the little girl. The little girl runs home. "Look, mother, it's a magic cooking pot." "Cook, little pot, cook," says the little girl. And the pot cooks. It cooks nice hot porridge. "Oh," says the mother. "Oh, oh, oh." "Wait, mother," says the little girl. "Stop, little pot, stop," she says. And the pot stops. "Now you can eat," says the little girl. "It's very good," says her mother. "It's delicious." The little girl and her mother eat porridge every day. They aren't hungry now. They have a magic cooking pot. "You're good, little pot," says the girl. "You are a good little magic cooking pot." One day, the little girl goes out. She goes out to play. "See you later, mother," she says. The little girl's out for a long time. "I'm hungry," says her mother. "I want some nice porridge." "But what do I say?" she says. Oh, yes. Cook, little pot, cook. The pot cooks. It cooks nice hot porridge. Oh, good, says the mother. But she doesn't say, stop, little pot, stop. So, the magic cooking pot cooks and cooks. It cooks more and more porridge. Oh no, says the mother. What do I say? Please stop, little pot, please. But she doesn't say the right words. So the magic cooking pot doesn't stop. Stop, stop, says the mother. Stop it now. But the pot doesn't stop. It makes more and more and more porridge. Oh no, says the mother. Help, help, says the mother. I can't stop this pot. Two men came to help her. Stop it, pot, they say. Stop it now. But they don't say the right words. So the magic cooking pot doesn't stop. It makes more porridge, more and more and more porridge. Then the mother sees the little girl. Quick, she says, tell this pot to stop. Stop, little pot, stop, says the girl. And the pot stops. At last, the pot stops. It's a good little pot, says the girl. It does what you say, but you must say the right words. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thanks for watching.